Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard keys not working in Windows. It's really simple and easy. If you've got an external keyboard, try unplugging and replugging it or turning it on and off. See if that works. However, if it doesn't or you don't have one, let's continue. Come to the bottom of your computer and you want to go and click on start button and you need to go and click on settings. Come over to the left and you want to go and click on accessibility. You need to scroll down a bit, then scroll down into interactions and click on keyboard. Scroll down and switch on screen keyboard. It will go and appear. Then all you want to do is click on search at the bottom of your computer and you want to go and type in registry editor like so and go and click on it. Now you will get a Windows pop-up. You need to click on yes. The keyboard may be in the way. If it is, click and hold the top bar. Now you want to go and expand system by clicking on the arrow to the left. First of all, H key local machine, I should say, then find current control set, click on the arrow, then expand services and scroll down to I. Find I8042PRT and click on it. Find start and right click on it and click on modify. Now what you need to do is remove the 3 or whatever is in 3 and change it to 1. Then press OK. You can close this and restart your computer. And that's pretty much it. So that's how to fix keyboard keys not working in Windows. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.